Guys, in this video we're going to unlock the Hero Valkyrie. I have 200 hero coins saved up and I have all the heroes now. And I think Hero Valkyrie is pretty good depending on the situation, but if you use it properly, you can get some good trades and damage. So we're going to use this Golem deck with the Pump and Witch that is nerfed. Let's see if this works, guys. As you all know, I'm my Golem main. I love Beatdown. And since many cycle cards were nerfed, I hope that Beatdown will be good again. Oh yes, Rocket. So now I can free pump. Nice. I'm gonna free pump. He probably has bait. He's gonna Goblin Barrel soon. Oh, I'm not gonna let you do that, bro. But I don't have elixir if he Goblin Barrels the... Oh, I have Barb Barrel, Tornado, and Lightning. Oh, I could ability with... That would have done so much damage, but that would be overcommit. I'm gonna Tornado and hope it works. Nice one. No damage to the pump. Very good. Gonna cycle my baby dragon. So I'm gonna pump again. That's how you play Golem, guys. Pump, take damage. I know I'm gonna take rocket damage, but at least it's a +1 elixir advantage for me. Good thing I have activated King Tower so I can ignore that. Yeah, I could ignore it. He rocketed so I can do Witch. So he's gonna Knight. I'm gonna probably place my... Oh, never mind. He's probably gonna Knight, but he has no elixir. He just logged. So he's probably gonna Knight. I'm gonna place my Valkyrie now. Or he's probably gonna Goblin Gang. No, probably not gonna Goblin Gang because he's gonna get splashed to his middle wings. Let's Tornado this. Okay, splashed. Okay, nice. I didn't use the ability just yet. So yeah, I think the Hero Valkyrie is better because you don't have to spend elixir to get something out of the effect. Yeah, I'm winning without Hero. Wait, it can counter this. Go spin, bro. Sorry, not bro, sister. It's gonna Inferno Tower, but yeah, doesn't matter, bro. I'm gonna lightning that. It's probably gonna Goblin Barrel. Yeah, gonna Barb Barrel too. Perfect gameplay, guys. Get the Hero Valkyrie now. Sorry I wasn't able to use the Hero Valkyrie ability much in this game, but I don't need to. So you don't have to use the expensive ability always because it costs you elixir. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.